Granite Peak stands tall at an elevation of 12,799 feet above sea level. It is the highest point in the state of Montana. Granite Peak is known for its technical climbing routes, and because of this, along with poor weather and the challenging route finding, it is considered one of the most difficult of the 50 U.S. state high points. The mountain is located in the Beartooth Range of the Northern Rockies, and is primarily composed of granite, which contributes to its name. This wilderness is also home to diverse wildlife, including elk, bighorn sheep, mountain goats, and grizzly bears. Glaciers played a big role in forming the Beartooths, and they carved away at some of the oldest rocks on the planet. Rock samples in the area have been dated to nearly 4 billion years old. The mountains continue to erode, but still maintain a high elevation due to the recent presence of the Yellowstone hotspot to the south in Wyoming. The increase in heat and pressure under the crust causes the Beartooth Mountains to still maintain their elevation while actively being eroded. So why is the weather so notoriously bad here? First off, we need to understand that mountains themselves have a significant impact on weather systems. Steep slopes can enhance the lifting of air as it encounters them. As the air is forced to rise, it cools, condenses, and forms clouds. This process, known as orographic lifting, can lead to increased cloud cover, precipitation, and more turbulent weather conditions. The Beartooth Mountains' high latitude and proximity to Canada can result in subarctic influences on the weather. Weather systems from different directions can converge, like cold masses coming from the north, interacting with the warm and moist air from the south, creating a volatile atmosphere and potentially severe weather. The Beartooth Mountains are also relatively isolated and largely undeveloped, which means there are limited weather monitoring stations or infrastructure in the area. This can make it challenging to obtain real-time weather information and thus accurately predict the local weather conditions. While this region can experience challenging weather, conditions can vary greatly depending on the season and specific location within the range. Always be prepared for changing weather and carry the appropriate gear if interested in exploring this mountain range and Montana's highest point.